my goodness, this is so much fun. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, man, this is it. Whew. Hello, we're here at Bunny Flats. How are you guys feeling?
Good. Awesome. Heaviest backpack I've ever had.
Okay, wish us luck. There's the mountain somewhere back there. About 12:30, 75 degrees and full on sunshine. But top of the mountain is where we're headed. Well, the 5th season hooked us up with a rental on this ice axe, and then some big old heavy boots. Thinking I don't want to carry them, and I might just want to wear them. We got a helmet from them as well, and yeah, pretty heavy pack, but we're gonna go for it. Hour in. How we feeling, guys?
Awesome. Doing great.
Feeling good? Checking in? Checking in on the phones?
Yes.
Alright, we just left horse camp. Objective for today is get up right at that snow line, a place called Helen Lake. And tomorrow, climb up to the right, kind of over that heart-shaped outcropping and that little thumb rock right through there, and then we turn left and summit. It's hot, no shade. A lot of grinding right now, a lot of character building. Climbing this face, full sun. How you guys doing?
Good.
All right, guys, so show you what we just came up. These guys are just making it to the top of this really rough, really steep terrain. Switchbacks for a couple thousand feet. Crest this little hill and check out this view, guys. This is 50-50 flats. Ridge line there, the snow line. So far we haven't had to hike through snow here at 50-50 flats. First couple patches of snow here, maybe another 20 minutes we'll start into that snow up in the distance there. Little shoot up there, and then we'll hit Helen Lake and start setting up camp for the evening. It's been a little bit of wind and a lot of sunshine, but spirits are high. How you guys doing?
Spirits are high. Yes, they are.
All right. So we're about halfway between 50-50 flat and Helen Lake. So had to put on the snowshoes, crampons, gaiters, and I just want to take a few minutes with you guys and show you how cool this view is, show you how steep the section is, and kind of the tricks of the trade I've learned in the last 20 minutes climbing in the snow. So with crampons on, I'm just kicking down at an angle, small steps, getting a good rhythm where the road bike training really paid off, is just a nice cadence. Kick in. Small, consistent steps. All right, guys, we made it to Helen Lake. It was really steep, pretty tough, but check out these views, guys. Here's our tent. There's Jill snacking. We've got some snow here in this bag, and we've got a little stove doing all the work, melting the snow, get us some water for tomorrow. Cup of noodles sounded good, so that's going to be part of our dinner. Tomorrow we head up towards those reddish rocks, red banks. Off to the right there's Thumb Rock. Should take about 2 or 3 hours to get up to that point, and that's 12,000 feet. After that, it's just 2 more thousand feet to the summit. There's no wind, probably 60 degrees. Alright guys, we're hopefully more than halfway up Red Banks, but it's a doozy. Lots to go. About 5:20 a.m. Almost to the top of Red Banks. It's within sight. Look at the sunrise. These clouds are just incredible. Jen taking a little knee break. Jill's back there crushing it. Look how far we've come. Her tent's about right through there. Been on the trail for over 3 hours. Almost to the top of Red Banks. So it's a doozy. Spirits are high. Alright, still not to the top of Red Banks yet, but look at this shadow. Mt Shasta. Sunrises. Freaking amazing. Pretty steep. These just keep getting better and better though. There's the Thumb. Red Banks here on the left. All right, guys, just made it up Red Bank. Oh, I don't even know where I'm at anymore. Misery Hill. These views are pretty great. But what I wanted to show you guys was that rock formation up there is the summit. I don't know if you could tell, but there's a little dude up there. We are super stoked. We were really tired though. Elevation's getting to all of us. Feel like I bit off more than we could chew, but the summit's in sight and we just gotta go finish this. So freaking crazy. We're excited. See you at the summit. Guys, there ain't no more climbing. This is pretty freaking tough. Got this, Jen.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yay.
14,178. 14,170 freaking 9, baby.
Because the rock stars.
Woo! Holy crap. We did it, guys. Yes. Yes. There is no wind up here.
No, beautiful.
Oh my goodness, guys.
It's amazing.
How you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah. Catch you guys on the way back down. All right, guys, we just made it back down from the summit. Somewhere up there. And feeling pretty good. Took about an hour up there just to sit in the sun, warm up a little bit, take off our boots, take some pictures, sign the summit registry. So yeah, feeling pretty good, feeling accomplished. I know it's gonna be a long hike down, but the snow's kind of getting slushy. I think we can get glissade most of it down. Pretty awesome day, guys. Pretty windy, but not too bad. Here we go. I think I lost the Nalgene bottle. Oh well. Oh. Oh. Woo. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. Yeah, man, this is it. Woo. The butt's getting cold. Rock, oh yeah. Whoa, out of the hole. Back in the hole. There we go. Guys, our tent's like this at the bottom of this hill. It took us almost 5 hours to climb this hill in about 7 minutes to get climb down it, or slide down it. There we go, get some speed. Woo! Ashley, let's go. Yeah! Woo! 3 S's over the hill. Woo! Oh, getting slower. pro. Woo! Riding off into the sunset.